What's going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today I'm giving my first impressions on the Saramonic Blink Me lavalier mic. Saramonic has been making a name for themselves in the audio game for a number of years now. They've produced shotgun mics, lavs, and podcasting gear that's affordable but maintains a high level of quality. The Blink Me is a new take on the lavalier style microphone. Now let's first take a look at what comes in the box containing your Blink Me mic. In this kit you get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, 2 magnetic clips for the person being mic'd up, 1 1/4-inch magnetic cold shoe adapter so that you can attach the receiver or the transmitter to a camera, 4 magnets that can be used as fastening pieces, 2 fur windscreens for the transmitters, 1 MVC phone holder, 1 USB-A to USB-C cable, 1 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable for connectivity, 2 screen protectors for the transmitters, and 1 screen protector for the receiver. Now on first glance, before even powering the unit on, I can already tell that I really like the style and the finish that it has. It's very sleek, it's very simple, utilizing the receiver as both the charging hub as well as the receiving piece. As you can see, both transmitters magnetically fasten to the receiver itself, making this a very nice little all-in-one unit that you can easily fit into your gear bag. Now let's take a little closer look at the transmitter mic units. The transmitters have a 1.3-inch OLED display that will show you your readout of your audio levels, but you can also customize with any image or logo that you may want. Now this means that if you're using this unit without the external lav cables, you no longer have to just be representing whatever company made your lav. You can actually upload your own logo so that it can act as either a decal or even a name tag for yourself. In order to customize your transmitters, you'll need to download Saramonic's app titled, you guessed it, Saramonic. Pretty simple. Right from the transmitter itself, you can then control your levels, your gain, as well as mute right from here, and features an omnidirectional mic and active noise canceling when recording. Now the receiver piece features an auto-sensing 3.5mm output with a TRRS output cable, which allows the user to plug into any 3.5mm device, and it will automatically detect if it's TRS or TRRS. You are also able to plug it in via USB-C, allowing use with smartphones, tablets, and computers. Not only that, but you can also record to multiple devices at the same time via USB-C and 3.5mm simultaneously. For battery life, you can expect each transmitter individually to run for about 9 hours on a full charge, and the receiver to run for about 24 hours on a full charge. Each unit takes roughly 2.5 hours to charge to full. Now let's do a quick test. Alright, so now as you can see, I'm using the Blink Me as my main microphone, and you can kind of get a sense of the sound quality going right into my Sony a7S III. Now the microphone I usually use is a Shure MV7 condenser podcasting mic, so now you can kind of get a real-time back and forth between the two. I'm using the magnetic little medallion on the back here to connect it to my jacket here. And as you can see, I've already customized this to say Hunts, which is another one of the main selling points of this. When you're out and about and you're using it just like this, you can actually have it say your name, your channel's name, your company's name. It's kind of a game changer. All right, so as you can tell, I'm no longer in the studio inside. I'm outside in the elements to show you guys a little example of what this microphone sounds like when you're actually outside. And today, for our purposes, this is great because it's a little bit windy out, so I get to test not only the fur windscreen, which is on there right now, but I also get to test the active noise canceling, which I did not do inside. Just to give you guys a little bit of a sample of what you can expect from this microphone when you're outside. So, and again, I'm not touching the audio at all. I'm not mixing it. All I might be doing is adjusting levels a little bit, just so that the video doesn't sound ridiculous. But yeah, this is the microphone out in the wild. And I guess without further ado, back inside. Overall, I feel like this is a really great piece of gear for anyone who is an on-the-go creator. The Blink Me is a simple and incredibly effective solution to your outdoor audio issues. The fact that you can seamlessly connect the unit to a phone, computer, or camera opens up the creative possibilities for you when you're on the go. It's portable, it's easy to use, and delivers quality sound even in tough environments. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Saramonic Blink Me or anything else camera related, please give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.